Here we are, guys, in Turkish company REDON. Let's take a look not only to nice girls but to new milling equipment. Just have a short go through around the new equipment, and then we'll ask someone to tell us more information about it. I was more surprised not by new milling units. This one, I think it's an old one, but that they got some printers. Ta-da! Looks not that big build plate, but interesting fixation element. That bowl, a little bit more like a Lego Mars or something like that, but some sturdy design. Looks expensive. I think I haven't seen this unit before. So okay, let's find out. Maybe someone can make us short excursion and tell more details about all the new units. You can find the old video from the previous IDS about all the REDON equipment on the YouTube channel Exocat Academy of North.
Chocolate?